This is also one of the theorem taught in class 6 or 7. Here the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. A, B, C and D is a quadrilateral. The value of angle A is 80 degree denoted by alpha. Angle B is equal to 55 degree denoted by beta. Angle C is equal to 131 degree denoted by gamma, and last angle D, that is equal to 94 degree denoted by delta. The sum of all these four angles is 360 degree. Clearly you can verify by using pen and pencil or calculator. Now let us, at this condition we are seeing the sum of the four angles is this. Now I am changing, making another quadrilateral with by shifting A as well as C. Now we see the sum of all four angles is equal to also 360 degree. Now in another condition I am changing point D and getting another position, and here also we are getting the sum is 180 degree. So at any point we are getting the sum 180 degree. You can see here the sum of these four angles is equal to 180 degree. I am trying to make this is a 90 degree angle perpendicular, so to form a rectangle. Dragging this point and adjusting to show 90 degree angle. It is very little bit tedious job to drag the points and get the angle equal to, all the angle is equal to 90 degree. This angle is also a little bit more. I want to use control. So now you see all the four angles is equal to 90 degrees, so it is a rectangle. So in rectangle is a quadrilateral, and the sum of all four angles is equal to 360 degree. Now make this angle as a more angle, bring it close, this thing, or again we bring it, make it 140 degree, 140, here 40 degree, and this is 40 degree. So in case of rhombus, it is a kind of a rhombus. We are getting it, the sum again 180 degree. And let us observe what will happen if it is like this. I am making this an acute triangle. See here, it is 14 degree, see here 14 degree, 34 degree, 232 degree and 80 degree. Again, can we sum it? That is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 20, 10, 0, 1 carries, 8 plus 9, carries 1 9, 1 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 or 3, 13 and 3, 16, 6 and 1 carries, 2 and 1, 3. So, again we are finding not only in obtuse triangle, but in acute triangle also we are getting the sum is of all interior angle is equal to 360 degree. Look here also 81 plus 41 plus 40, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is 0 and 1 carries 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 and 2 carries, 1 carries. So, 2 plus 1, 3. So, here also this we cannot able to demonstrate in the class with the help of protractor and rubber, your pencil and ruler. So, this is a very dynamic software. With the help of this software we can verify many theorems of geometry, will prove it. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharishi.